It's baking outside. Understanding English weather phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a weather-related phrase that might have you scratching your head. It's baking outside. You might be wondering, what does baking have to do with the weather? Well, stick around as we unravel this interesting expression and how you can use it to sound more like a native speaker. When someone says, "It's baking outside," they're not talking about making cookies or cakes under the sun. Instead, this phrase is a colorful way to say that it's very hot outside. The word baking here is used metaphorically to describe the intense heat, similar to how an oven feels when it's set to a high temperature for baking. This expression is a perfect example of how English speakers often use creative language to describe everyday situations, especially the weather. You might be wondering when it's appropriate to use the phrase, "It's baking outside." This phrase is best used during the summer months or in hot climates when the temperatures are high enough to make you feel like you're in an oven just by stepping outdoors. It's a casual and informal expression, so it's perfect for conversations with friends, in social media posts, or in any relaxed setting. For example, you could say, "I was going to go for a run, but it's baking outside, so I think I'll stay in and enjoy the air conditioning." English is full of creative weather-related expressions. Here are a few more you might enjoy. It's raining cats and dogs. This means it's raining very heavily. Break out the sweaters, a fun way to say that the weather is getting colder. A breath of fresh air. While this can refer to actual fresh air, it's often used metaphorically to describe a refreshing change. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now a little more comfortable using the phrase, "It's baking outside." English is a rich and vibrant language, full of expressions that can make your conversations more colorful and expressive. Don't be afraid to try them out. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video, and remember, keep practicing.